Referee, a battle of the youth division, Usbao versus Maliu. Alright, the two big men are ready for their jump ball. First possession niya ng Usbao, number 1. Number 1 to number 14. There's a number 2 meter per meter shot. Puts it in by number 7. And Team Maliu for the 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 14. Finds number 8. Number 8. Finds number 27. Number 27. Looking for naman. Wala. Short ang reverse shot niya. Out of bounds. Same ball possession tayo. JC pulls the 3. So yan. 5-0 tayo. Number 8. Finds number 27. Number 8. Umira ng 3. Short. Recovered. In the paint, number 11. Number 6. Wala yan. Nakuulit ng Team Usbao. Number 14. Number 14. Slashing. Wala yan. Rebound by number 7. Closing the offense and the score. What's that rep? Number 6. First personal foul. Jumper at the sideline, wala yan. Rebound ni number 2. Number 2, inaras. Number 27, pinasa sa kampe. Number 8. Number 25, JC. Finds number 14. One goal covered by number 1. No look pass, number 1. Wala pa rin yan. Well, we go ni number 27. Number 27. Penetrates. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 25, JC. Number 14. Number 14 to number 2. Salute for the 3. Rebounds. Number 8 to number 11. Penetrates. Short ang tira. Rebound niya ng Team Usbao. Number 14. Pass to number 2. Number 2 to number 7. To number 14. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Time out. Maliu. All right, back to the ball game. Number 8, penetrates, losing the ball. There's a foul for number 7. Foul number 7 from the Team Usbao. Number 21. Number 27, setting up. Pulls the 3 from the downtown, overshoots. Rebound by number 6 and traveling violation. Number 14. to number 7. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number. Out of bounds. Malakas ang pasa. Hindi pa nakakapukol ng score ang Team Maliw. Ang score natin, 12-0. Platoon tayo, hindi time out. Platoon. Palit 5. Platoon lang, hindi time out yan. Palit 5. Palit 5. Kung kulang kayo, kung 9 lang kayo, maiwan yung isa. Alright, sige na. So, kulang yung player ng Team Maliw.
Dito kulang din. They're traveling eh. Dito,
Number 2, number 7, pakitakin ng t-shirt. Pakitakin ng mga polo shirt. T-shirt nyo, yung number 29, pakitakin ng t-shirt. Yan. Number 0 to number 29, cross per meter. Rebounded JC. Rejected. Recovered number 22. Wala yan. Rebound yung number 18. Number 18 to number 20. Number 20. Forcing the offense. And there's a foul. Number 29. De La Cruz in the line for his bonus. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin natatanggal ang sumpa. Wala pa rin silang score. At 0 pa rin. Second, and that's his goal. Ayan na, tanggal ang sumpa. Tuloy-tuloy na siguro yan. For the Team Maliw. Ayan na, si number 1 penetrates. Number 28, tries number 7, penetrates, back number, puts it in, number 29, easy jumper, and the perimeter. Number 0, foul. Idol, pakitanggal yung headband mo, baka patusok yung mata mo pag natanggal yan. Yung headband mo, pakitanggal yan. Referee, ref. Yung headband, no, pakitanggal. Baka paka-disgrasya. And number 0 penetrates and a score. And it's number 20. That is a traveling violation. Our score is 16-1. Nandyan pa rin ang sumpa. Si number 0, forcing the offense by number 7 to number 29. Downtown shot, one go, rebound by number 6. Number 6 to number 20. Penetrates and there's a foul. Number 29, second personal foul. Time remaining, 3 minutes in this first quarter. As if La Cruz and a score. Ayan, unti-unti nang nawawala ang sumpa. Second one is good. And it's number 0. Out of bounds. Bola nga ng Team Maliw. De La Cruz inbound in the ball. Number 20. And number 20. Number 20 forcing. And there's a foul. Who's fouled up? Foul number 29. Third personal foul. Penalty situation ref. Penalty na Team Osbal. First one is wala. Yan.
Dapat charge mo pala yung dun na.
Second one is go.
Charge mo dun dun ko. Hindi, yan mo na. Dyan na siya upo. Saka upo sa gilid.
Number 7 setting up the play. Finds number 22 at the baseline. That is a traveling violation. Balik ang possession sa Team Aliw number 20. And number 20 setting up the play. Finds number, pulls a three, in and out. Rebound by number. And a steal by the Team Aliw number 26. Number 26 to number 20. De La Cruz in the paint. Short ang tira. And si JC. And a steal by the Team Aliw. Lane violation. Ayan na, Team Kasi number 20, loads, puts it in. Score natin, 16-6, 10 ang kalamangan ng Husbao. Ayan na, nakita si number. Sabla ang tira ni number 22. Sa ilalim mo yan si number 20, forcing the offense, puts it in. Unti-unti nang humahabol ang Team Aliw. Ayan na si Team Husbao. Number 0. And a score by number 7. Number 7. Time remaining 53 seconds in this first quarter. De La Cruz. Number 80. Or shoots. Number 0. Pass to the wrong man. Ayan ang Team Aliw Robosa. Number 18. Number 18 forcing the offense. Puts it in. AC Marana. And that is traveling violation. .2 seconds left. It is the first quarter. That is number 20. 17 seconds. Number 26. No, number 16. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Per-meter shot. One goal. Recovered by number 16. De La Cruz. Ayan, unting humabol ang Aliw. 12-18. Anim na lang ang kalamangan ng Husbao. We are in the second quarter. Second quarter na tayo in this elimination game between Aliw and Husbao from the youth division. Ayan na si Salvo, papasok na si number 11. Trigger man ng Team Aliw. Ayan na si number 20, number 27. Pinasa ka, Salvo, per-meter shot. Siren. Kapapasok pa lang, mainit na agad si Idol. Salvo, number 7, finds number. Back to number 7. With JC, number 25. And that's a foul. Number 11, throws personal foul. Number 20 is fouled.
Ayan o. Foul yung number 20 sa Team Husbao. Team Husbao.
Dito. Pero si De La Cruz. Put back shot by number 11. And one basketball. Who's foul rep? Number 2 is foul. And it's good. Isa pa yung number 11. It's good. Ang score natin, deadlock na. Bilis makahabol ng Team Maliw. Ito na ang magandang bakbakan na ito. All na agad. Ayan na si number 1. Per meter shot. Puts it in. Number 1. Mainit sa per meter shot. Number 20. Robosa. Finds number. Short ang tira. Rebound to number 40. To number 2. Salu. Beyond the arc shot. Puts it in. 3. Number 2 is on fire tonight. Number 20. Nais nila yan. Ni number. Yan ang Timos Bao number 1. Ang ganda ng side step. Put back shot. In and out. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Number 8. Fontanilla. To number 3 points. One go. Recover to number 6. Laking mama. And a score. 20-23 ang ating score. And ang Timos Bao number 7 hesitates, penetrates, finds number 8. Sa kalaban, nakuha ng team Malo, number 27, lumipaan nakita si Tim. Puts it in, number 11 on the baseline. Salfo. 23-22. Team Mali are down by 1 point. Yan na si number 20. Pass to number 27. Libre na. And a score. Basket is goal.
Change flavor.
Change favor tayo. Yan na si number 7. Number 7 finds number 1. Number 14 hesitates. And there's a foul committed by number 27. Timos Bao, inbounding the ball. Number 14. Balik kay number 7. And number 2 fakes. Pass it to Roma. Ano kaya na number 6 to number 8. Number 27 pulls in and out. Rebound to number 1. Subline tira number 27 to number 25. Number 25 puts it in. JC. That's number 27. De La Cruz, number 20. Drop pass to number 8 and a steal by number 25. JC. Ganda ng pasa pero wala. Nakuha yan ng Timos Bao. And out of bounds. Well defended basketball by the Team Maliw. Number 11 to number 20. Number 20. Number 20! Wala yan. Na-rebound ni. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7 kay JC. And a score. Platoon substitution. Score namin 27-24. Platoon yan. Platoon. Hindi pa tayo mo.
Palit player lang po.
Platon na idol. Okay, top of the ball game.
Bagong tabas ka.
Alright, maghanda-handa na rin ang susunod na maglalaban. Sabado Boys versus Buhat. Mga Taraki Boys. Ayan ang Team Malo. Team Mali number 16 to number 14. Back number 16. Pulls a 3. Short. Air ball. And Timos Bao number 0. Setting up the play. Finds number 1. Number 1 to number 29. Number 29 is number 0. Penetrates in the paint. Close. Lakas ang tira. Kuha na yung cellphone. Number 14 to number 16. Ganda ng layup. Yung number 16. De La Cruz. Kasi number 14. Number 14. Penetrates. What a beautiful isolation and a score.
Since flavor na pala.
26-29 ang ating score. Number 27, setting up a play. Finds number. Umira ng 3 si number 14. Deadlock na naman tayo. 29 all. Mainit ang laban ng Team Musbao versus Team Manu. Yan ang si number 0 hesitates. Finds number 14 to number 25 to number 1 in the paint. One goal. Rebound by number 8. Number 27. Forcing the offense. One goal. Rebound by number 1. And that's a foul. Leaded by number 1. 2 minutes and 57 seconds left. Number 0. Finds number 14. Ganda ng pasa pero wala ang tira. Sablay. Sayang naman yun. Yun na siya. Number 18. Nakawala. Malakas lang ang tira. Number 18. Finds number 25. 22. To number 29. Basket is good. Score natin, 31-29. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Musbao. Kasi number 7. Kasi number 18. Number 16, De La Cruz. Back to number 18. 2-meter shot. Rebound niya ng team. And that's a double dribble violation. Number 14, tries number 27. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Tumira si number 27. Short ang tira. Pass the wrong man. Kaya ng Team Mali. Number 14 to number 27. Number 27. Lumipat na. Short. Rebound ulit ng number 18. And a score. Basket is goal by number 18. Robust. Na-score natin, 31 all, deadlock na naman. Kaya na si number 1, nakatapit ang bola, nakuha yan ng Team Malo, number 18. Nakuha ng Team Musbao, number 0. Lumipad! And does a foul. Needed by number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. Penalty na tayo sa kabila. Ang score natin ay deadlock sa 31. Second free throw. Wrong goal. Rebound by number 18. Number 18 crossover. Naiwan ang dalawa, tatlo, apat. Buhay ni number. Wala lang ang tira niya. Bata, halika na. Number 14 hinaharas ng dalawang tagamali. Yan si number 16. Finds number 0. Number 0 in the paint. Puts it in. Beautiful layup. Penetration by number 0. Peralta. 1 minute remaining in this first quarter. Number 27. Nawala ang bola naman ni number 16. Recovered ni Selfo. Rejected by the Team Musbao. Nawala ulit ang bola ulit ng Team Mali, number 27. Penetrates. Wala, well defended by the Team Musbao. Here na si number 0. No look pass to number. What a beautiful showdown basketball by number 40. Number 18. Nakawala. Puts it in. Beautiful isolation by number 18. And it's number 0. Number 0 picking up. Same ball possession. The score natin, 33-35. Lamang ang Team Musbao. Yan na si number 1. Finds number. Tumira ng 3. Shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. that is the second quarter of this game. Our score is 35-33 in favor of Team Osbao. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng Team Osbao. We are now on the third quarter of this game.
Nag-goal mo na, nandun na sila.
Mga players, meron tayong water dito sa gilid. Number 7 to number 29 from the Team Osbao. We are now the third quarter of this game. Elimination between Osbao and Team Malo. Yan ang si number 25. Ang balik kay number 2. Shot clock down to 9. Puts it in. Number 2. Baseline shot. Number 20. Number 20. Setting up the play. Number 20. Naipit. Nais nila. Nakuha ng Team Osbao. Double dribble violation. Double dribble violation. That's number 20. Finds number 27. They don't know. Two number. Nakuha ni JC. Number 25. And it's number 7. Finds number 2. Felix. Pulls the 3. Puts it in. 3 points. Number 2. Ang score natin, 40-33. Ito ang kalamangan team. Osbao. Yan si number 6 in the paint. Pass number 26. Pulls the 3. Won't go. Rebound ni number 6. Nawala ang bola. Same ball possession. Number 20, pass to the wrong man, number 2 to number 29, lays out, puts it in. Forty-three, 33 ang ating score. Yan si number 20, penetrates, finds number 6. Goes up in the paint, recovered by number 20. Lower shot, won't go, rebound by Team Osbao, number 8. And the shoot, number 8. Number 27. For the 3. Won't go. Rebound niya ng Team Osbao, number 7. Number 7. Nice sila niya ni number 20. Number 20. Perimeter shot in the paint. Malakas ang tira. Rebound by number 25. JC Maranan to number 14. Number 14. Ang ganda ng penetration. Short ang tira. Wali number 27 from the Team Malo. Number 6. Tinaktak na. Puts it in. Number 2 to number 25, JC umikot, floater shot, short ang tira, rebound niya ng Team Malo, nakuha ni number 26. Number 26 to number 20, umikot, floater shot, puts it in, and blown, basketball by number 20. Who's foul up? Number 7 is foul. Number 20 in the line for his bonus. Ang susunod na magbakbakan ay from the adult division, Team Buhat versus Sabado Boys. Number 20 puts free throw. Ang ating score ay 30-42. Naba sa apat ang kalamangan ng Team Osbao. Yan si Ramos. Warning ang red. Pakitakin ng pakitakin ng mga jersey nyo, mga maliw. Pakitakin. Mate-technical kayo. Takin nyo shorts. Takin nyo t-shirts. Pakitakin. Ayan. Nabigyan na kayo ng warning ng referee. So, baseline shot. Wala. Recovered and rebound by number 25. Ramos na number 29. Umikot, and that's an offensive basketball foul by number 29. Number 29, warning, fourth personal foul. Warning to graduate ka na. Number 29. Ayun na, si number 27. Short ang tira, rebound ni JC, number 25. And number 14. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 26 seconds. Number 7, Ramos penetrates. Pass to the Ramos, what a miscommunication. By the team Malo, team was fouled. That's number 8, Fontanilla, forced the offense, finds number 6, libre na, and a score. Ganda ng pasa, ganda ng tira.
Time out daw.
Time out kaya doon? Time out sila.
Reserve timeout ang team Usbao. Ang ating score ay 40-42. Team Mali are down by 2 points na lang. Number 40. Number 14. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Substitution. Timeout ang team Usbao.
2 seconds. Hindi, wala na. Naubusan na kayo oras.
Shot clock violation yun, idol. Shot clock violation. Alright, back to the ball game. Ang score natin ay 40-42 in favor of Team Usbao. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Usbao. Ayan na si number 8, Fontanilla. Number 8, pass number 27 for the 3. Wala, recovered by number 6. By Selfo, puts it in. Good back shot by number 11. Deadlock na naman tayo sa 42. Yan na si Peralta, burning the arc. Short, rebound ng Team Mali, number 8, Fontanilla. Fontanilla, closing the offense. One goal recovered. Yan ang Team Usbao, number 0. Nagmamadali. Finds number 25, baseline shot, short. Same ball possession. Yan ang si number 22 rejected, and there's a foul committed by number 6. Number 6, second personal foul. Number 22 in the line for his bonus. Sabla yung una. Second one is good. That's number 8. Number 6 in the paint. One goal, rebound by number 25. Number 25 to number 0, Peralta. Peralta, setting up, penetrates. Finds number 25. Rejected by the Team Mali. Nakuha ulit ng Team Usbao yan. Puts it in, number 0. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa Team Usbao. Then is number 0. Number 0 forcing the offense, penetrates, loader shot. Wala, na-rebound na ang Team Usbao, number 0. Peralta, drop pass number 14, rejected. Out of bounds. Substitution, pasok na. And Team Usbao. Number 0. Finds number JC. JC. And that's once in foul, hindi counted yan. Number 25, JC. First personal foul. Mga score pa rin natin ay 42-45. That is number 27. Number 27. Finds number 11. Short. Rebound by. Nawala ang bola. Balik ang possession sa team. was fouled.
Isa yung bola mo, Dre. Okay.
Yan ang team Mali. Who was fouled? Number 0. Number 0. First year of it. Finds number 14. Sabla ng tira. Rebound ni JC yan. Finds number 0 in the paint. Puts it in. Time out. Malio.
Ano oras tayo sila? Ilan na tayo palang mali? Pwede mo tayo nagsimula. Tig-dalawa pa sila.
Both teams meron kayong tig dalawang time out.
7-10 ata. 7-10 tayo. 7-10.
Alright, back to the ball game. We are still in the third quarter of this game. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Ang score natin ay 47-42 in favor of the team who's fouled. That's number 27, setting up a play. Number 27, Bernie Dyke. Short rebound by number 25, JC. And that's his foul, number 27. Number 27, second personal foul. Peralta finds number 1, hesitates. Baseline shot, puts it in.
Number 1. Number 20. Number 22.
That's foul rep. Number 25, second personal foul. Number 27 in the line for his bonus. First one is good.
Ilan na po yung marangan? Dalawa pa lang.
Second one is good. 44-49. Score nothing, 44-49. 30 seconds left. Number 40. Finds number 22. Walang tira. Goal ulit number 22 yan. Nakatingin bola. Number 27. Number 27. Penetrates. Sabla yung tira. Number 0 forcing the offense. Rondo. Rebound by number 22 to number 25. Wala na tayong oras at natin sa third quarter of this game. Ang ating score ay 44-49 in favor of the team was fouled. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Ang susunod na maglalaban ay Sabado Boys versus Team Doha Nataraki Boys. Meron pa tayong last game for tonight. Calixta from the Legend Division. Calixta versus Bokawe Hoopers. Number 27, number 16, number 8, Fontanilla. Number 8 hesitates in the paint, finds number 27, throws the 3, puts it in, 3 points. Baba sa dalawang kalabangan ng Team Osbal, 47-49. Ayan si number 2, to number 7. Back to number 0, Bernie Dyke. Won't go, recover number 7. Wala, to JC. JC steal. JC nice lang. Simple possession. Warning number 7 for resentment of a call. Number 29, number 2. Shot clock, 4 seconds. Ayan na si number 29, forcing the offense. And it's good. Number 27. Number 27 steal. Pulls the three. Show ng tira. Rebound number 0. Number 0. Number 29 fakes. Ganda ng tira. Ganda ng fake. Ang ating score. 53-47. Number 8, number 6, number 16, number 8, number 8, setting up the play. Rabanilla, number 27, throws a 3, under, rebound in JC. And ang team was bound number 7, finds number 2, to number 25. Number 7, fakes the 3, penetrates to JC. In and out, rebound by number 6. Ayan na si number 8. Rejected, but still same on possession. Malaki. Well defended basketball by the team was bow. Ayan na si number 8. Finds number 16 na wala. And a score! Napakabilis niyan. Maliit lang yan. Pero nakaka-point din yan. Ayan na si De La Cruz. Naka-score ng 2 points. 53-49. Team's Power still ahead by 4 points. That's the number 0. Sairauta. Forcing the offense. One goal recovered by number 25. Rejected. Nawalang bola. Still recovered by JC Umikot. And a score. Basket is good. And one basketball. Who's foul rep? Foul number 6.
Score niya 55.
Number 6. Substitution tayo.
5 yun eh. Kasi 3 ba tayo galing? Oo. Nilagay mo yung score. Idol, dito kayo lalapit sa gitna.
55-49 ang ating score. Yan ang Team Maliw. Team Maliw. Tuwira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni JC. JC. Yan ang team with foul. Number 40. Number 7 fakes. Pass to JC. Floater shot in and out. Rebound number 6. Redondo. Number 27. Number 27. Tumira ng 3. Short. Recovered the Salto. Puts it in. Putback shot by Salto. Babasa pa ng kanamangan ng Primus Bao. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 40 to number 2 to number 7, number 40, number 29, pulls a 3. Short, rebound by the team. Maliw, yan na naman ang batang nakakabuing. Naka-score na naman si De La Cruz. Patay kayo dyan, malit lang yan, pero mabilis yan. Si number 16. As number 2, finds number, and a score. What a beautiful pass. Number 2 to number 25. And as number 27, Redondo fakes, forcing the offense. Go. Rebound by number 25 to number 7. Ang ating oras, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. And as number 2. Pinasa kay JC, and that's the foul. That's foul. Number 11, foul. 11 second personal foul. Ngayon ang team was bound na walang bola sa ball possession. Yan si number 2, inbound nila ball to number 29, throws the 3, overshoots. Ball possession. Time remaining 4 minutes and 48. Ang ating score 53-57. Baba sa apat ng kalamangan. Nang Osbaw, yan na si number 7. Finds number 25. Short, recovered. Number 25 pa rin yan. Wala. Naribaw na yan. Number 6. Yan na si number 27. Number 20 penetrates. Beautiful penetration. And a score by number 20. Time out. Husband. Husband, isang timeout na lang kayo. Maliw, meron pang dalawa. Mula sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Husband. We only have 4 minutes and 28 seconds. All right, back to the ball game. All right, back to the ball game. Malakas ang ulan. Pasok kayo mga manonood para hindi kayo mabasa. Ayan o, team. Number 1. The number. Tumira, malakas ang tira. Nakuha ng team. Maliw number 11, Selfo, penetrate to the score. 57, dead na kayo. In this fourth quarter, 3 minutes remaining. Number 7 to number 40. Number 7 finds number 1. Number 2 pulls a 3. Short, malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 27 to number 16. Short ang tira ni number 16. Si number 25. Wala yan. Rebound by number 40. Basket is goal. Lamang pa rin ang Husband ng dalawa yan si number 20. Number 20 umikot. Floater shot. Wala. Nakuha ulit ng Team Husband yan. Ang number 40. Number 40. That's number 1. Number 7. Team Husband is burning the time. Number 14 to number 2 to number 7. Oh, Maria. 2 seconds to shoot. Hindi siya counted. Tapos na ang oras. Hindi na counted yun. Shot clock violation. It's not counted. Ang score natin 59-57. 2 seconds sinabi ko, 2 seconds na lang.
Tumingin din kayo dito.
Tingnan ninyo rin oras. Ayan si number 27. 3 points! Change favor tayo. 60-59 ang ating score. 1 minute and 44. What is the number? Number 20, who's fouled up? Number 27 is fouled. Number 7. Number 7. Points number 2. 60-60. Balik ang Kalamangan sa team. First foul. Then si number 27. Number 27 finds number 6. Back to number 27. 40 to shoot. Si number 27. Balik ang Kalamangan sa team. Maliw. Mainit ang laban. Malamig sa labas. Umulan. Ayun na. Si number 7. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 2. Tumira ng press. Bang! Balik na naman ang Kalamangan sa team. Husband! Ayun na. Balik na ang panahon. There's a foul. Husband. Foul number 27. And number 11 to number 20. Number 20. And there's a foul committed by number 7. And Ano siya pagkawagin? Ano sa foul? Lagi mo naman. Number 27. Technical, number 27. Okay. Management timeout. Management timeout muna. Mababasa yung timer. Anong gagawin ng Team Maliw? Basa? Basa ba? Rep, basa ba yung bola?
Time bola.
Deadlock tayo. Basket timeout tayo. Ayan na si number 27. Maasar na lang maririnig nyo. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound.